Hey yo, I keep hearing about liquid cooling and air cooling for PCs. Which one should I go with? It depends on your needs. Both keep your CPU cool, but they work differently. Let's pour over the details. Okay, so how does air cooling work? Air cooling uses a heat sink and a fan. The heat sink pulls heat away from the CPU and the fan blows the heat out of your PC case. It's simple, reliable, and a lot cheaper than liquid cooling. Okay, makes sense. What about liquid cooling? Liquid cooling uses a pump, tubes, and a radiator. So the liquid absorbs the heat from the CPU, it moves through the tubes, and then it cools off in the radiator. Then the fans on the radiator push the heat out. So liquid sounds a lot more complicated. Why would I pick that? So liquid cooling is great for high performance builds or overclocking because it handles heat better than air cooling. It's also quieter since it doesn't need huge loud fans. Yeah, that all sounds great, but what's the downside? Well, it costs more and it's harder to set up. There's also a small chance of leaks, but modern systems are pretty safe nowadays. Okay, so air cooling is simpler and cheaper, and liquid cooling is more efficient and just kind of better overall. Exactly. If you're gaming or just doing regular tasks, air cooling is usually enough, but if you're pushing your CPU to the max, liquid cooling might be worth it.